Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will talk about a flagship smartphone that stands out with its amazing features and specifications. Yes, I am talking about the Huawei Mate 70 Pro. In this video we will discuss each and every feature and specification in detail. So let's get started without further delay. Body section. Let's start with the body and design. The dimensions of the Huawei Mate Pro are 164.6, 79.5, 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs 221 grams. Its build is very premium, with a glass front and aluminum alloy frame. For extra protection, it features Huawei Kunlun Glass 2. This phone comes with IP68 and IP69 certifications, making it dust and water resistant. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is very fast and reliable. Let's talk about the display. This phone features a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a peak brightness of up to 2500 nits. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth scrolling and gaming experience. Color options. For color options, you get black, purple, white, and green, all of which are very attractive. Now, let's move on to the platform and performance. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro runs on Harmony OS 4.3. It is powered by the Kirin 9020 chipset, which is a flagship-level chipset and offers excellent performance for multitasking and gaming. This phone supports Nano SIM plus Nano SIM, but it does not have a card slot. For storage, you can choose from 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 12GB RAM, or 1TB with 12GB RAM, catering to every user's needs. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro comes with a triple camera setup. A 50-megapixel wide-angle lens with an f1.4, f4.0 aperture, PDAF, and OIS support. A 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with a 93mm focal length, PDAF, OIS, and 3.5 optical zoom. A 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view. The camera supports 4K and 1080p video recording, along with HDR, gyro EIS, and OIS. Selfie camera. For selfie lovers, it features a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a TOF 3D depth sensor. The selfie camera also supports 4K and 1080p video recording. Talking about battery capacity, it has a powerful 5500 mAh battery. Charging options include 100-watt wired, 80 watts wireless, 20 watts reverse wireless, and 18-watt reverse wired charging. In terms of connectivity, this phone offers stereo speakers, NFC, an infrared port, and USB Type-C 3.1 support. However, it does not have a 3.5mm audio jack. So friends, this was a detailed review of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro. With its premium build quality, amazing display, powerful performance, and flagship-level camera, this phone is a complete package. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.